What one great thing would you dare to dream if you knew you could not fail? If you knew beyond a shadow of a doubt that you could not fail, what one thing would you set as a goal for yourself? Because sometimes answering that question will tell you the one thing that you've been put on this earth to accomplish. One final point with regard to goals. Action without planning is the cause of every failure. Action without planning is the cause of underachievement. Action without planning is the cause of frustration, time wastage, anxiety, stress, and lack of success in life. So organized plans of action are critical.
The only question is, how badly do you want it, and are you willing to pay the price? Because if you are, and you're willing to pay the price and work toward it, you can accomplish everything on that list, and sometimes far faster than you can possibly imagine. The question is, how badly do you want it?
Do you want to be on your deathbed knowing that you could, but you didn't? You're going to die never even trying to reach your full potential. And how's that going to feel?
You are the architect of your own destiny, that you are the master of your own fate, that you are totally self-responsible, that everything that you are or ever will be is up to you and you alone. Now you can believe in a higher power, as I do, and you can say that the higher power is responsible, but God helps those who help themselves, and for this earthly life, you're in charge of your life. You're in charge of what happens to you. If you don't like the way things are going, it's up to you to change it. But there's no way that you can ever give away responsibility. And another reason that I can say with complete confidence that you are a genius is that you have access to a mind that is far greater than anything that you could ever devise or develop on your own. You have a superconscious mind which you use in a random and haphazard way all the time. As a matter of fact, your superconscious mind is the source of all inspiration. It's the source of motivation. It's the source of enthusiasm. It's the source of excitement. It's the source of hunches. It's the source of insights. It's the source of flashes of intuition. It's the source of creativity and innovation. It's the source of all brand new ideas or thoughts or information that come into the world. Discipline is the master key to riches. The willingness to do what you know you should do, when you should do it, whether you like it or not, is the critical key to your success. Why is it that people fail in life? No miracle. It's no mystery. The reason people fail in life is that they're not willing to do whatever is necessary. They're not willing to pay the price. You have to ask yourself quite honestly, in terms of the wonderful life that you are capable of enjoying, in terms of all the things that you want, is this moving you toward it or is it moving you away from it? Because the truth of the matter is that everything that does not move you towards your goal moves you away from your goal. Never give up. Never, never give up. If you resolve in advance that once you're set off to achieve your goal, that you will never give up, that you will never quit, that nothing can stop you, that every single difficulty will just be a spur to drive you on, that you will become an inverse paranoid and you look into every problem and you look for the good in the problem, you look for the lesson that you can learn, you look for the way you can turn the situation to your advantage. If you keep on doing that, if you keep optimistic, if you keep this attitude of confident expectation going, you will be successful. And the iron quality that determines all your success, let me just say this, is that your persistence is your measure of your belief in yourself. Your persistence is your measure of your belief in yourself. And every time you persist in the face of adversity, your belief in yourself increases until it reaches the point where you become unstoppable on the growth and on the pathway to your goal.